Hi and hello to one and all. Today I'm back once again with yet another GD topic which was recently asked in IIM. Me Too movement, a reality or a publicity stunt? In this sort of topic, try and not take names of anyone. Try and not hurt anyone. And if you are logically proving that the movement is true, then the jury members will automatically understand that you have the understanding of the topic. I may be delivering so many points, but remember one thing: if you could deliver only 2 points in a very impressive manner, if you could present that in a good manner on the group discussion day, then your selection is sure. Now let's move to our topic. Every time a woman comes out and talks about the sexual harassment and assault that she has faced at workplaces, she is ridiculed by saying that it is a publicity stunt. But with the coming up of Me Too movement, it has given a good platform to women to talk about their past stories of harassments. And with more and more women joining this platform, has given them strength to talk about their painful stories. Even man has supported the movement, saying that we believe in what you say. The movement has exposed the hypocrisy and abuses of some of the most renowned personalities in the film industries and in politics. They are found to be messing up the work environment and harassing the working women of various sectors. In fact, they have made the work environment filthier by their wicked intentions. The most beautiful thing about the movement is that women are not only standing up and speaking for themselves, but they are standing for each other in solidarity. The collective pain that they have felt has turned into collective power. And the sound of this power is so strong that even the most renowned of the personalities are shaken. In India, girls are taught that it is okay with sexual harassment and that they should learn to live with it. Every time a boy taunts at her, she should look down and get away, and that they should not fight back or speak about it. But with the coming up of Me Too movement, it has led the seats where they could speak about it, and days are not far away when they will fight against it. Social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram has contributed a lot to the success of this movement. This movement is a clear indicator and an alarming bell for men that women will not keep quiet anymore. What's wrong is wrong, and no amount of justifications given to it could turn it to right. And if women speak, their name can get tarnished, their professional life could end as well. So men should be very, very careful in professional sectors as far as their moral behavior is concerned. So I personally feel that Me Too movement is all about truth, that a woman is coming out and speaking for themselves, and it is not at all a publicity stunt. Maybe there are a few accusations which are false about men, but overall this movement is all about truth, that they are speaking for themselves. And we also should be though very, very careful before taking sides, because we must remember that accusation does not mean that the guilt is proved. That's what on this topic.